Hi, everyone. My name is Stephanie Arroyo, and we have Nayland on the line as well. We're part of the EForT EFVT team, and we're going to talk about the user guide on how to use the EForT platform. So take it away.
Thanks. So we created a document here. If you want, you can scan the QR code, but we also have a bit.ly link, and that goes to our user guide document. And so I can start off with the first one. We have a couple different roles. So as a user without an account, you can see when you go to srproj-effort.cis.fiu.edu/effort, this is our basically staging server, and it's what people will see whenever they go to this site. You can see when you come directly to the EForT site, you're not logged in and you might not have an account. So there's a couple of things you can do. You can open an account and to do that, you would go click open an account. You would have to fill in all this information. So you would put in your personal information, like your name, your phone number, your date of birth. You can pick your role that you want to join with, which is just right now a basic trader that we have, email address, username, password, some security questions in case you forget your password, and then your residential information. So once you create an account, you'll be part of, I guess, like another role. But before we get into that, I want to also talk about the second thing you can do as a user without an account, which is you can learn about Forex trading concepts. So Forex might be new to some people on our site. And to help out with that, we wanted to have a section where users can learn more about what Forex is. So basically, you can go to education, trader themes, let's click all, or trading concepts. And you can see like there's a page on what Forex is, there's a video, some information. So there's different links that are on here to help get set up or like get educated on what Forex is. Yeah, so let's continue on with the next role, which is as a trader. Stephanie, do you want to talk about some of these and then we can like rotate like that? I'll sign in as a trader.
Yes, so as a trader, you would have to first be able to log in to the account using the trader username, which is trader, and the password EForT1234. So as you log in, you have different like functionalities. So first, you can add Forex account. So before, you can show, before you can actually see any data populated, you would have to go to My Forex account and add in any of your trader accounts with your account number and your trader server name. And then you should also be able to validate eventually.
I wanted to mention real fast that because we have Forex accounts here, we had to end up going to My Forex accounts. But what you can actually do if there's no Forex accounts here, it'll actually say add a Forex account instead of showing the graph.
Yeah, that's true. And then the next thing is you can look at your account equity and your account balance. So if you scroll down, this is the account equity and balance graph. So if you look at the left-hand side, has the prices. This is relating to the account equity, which is all the green, sort of green-bluish data. And then if you look to the right side, you have your balance account, which has all your data with your balance, and that's corresponding to the reddish data. And then, and then you can also view the account in different ways. The graph. You can view it in candlestick mode, in bar mode, and in line mode.
So you can also, I can talk about the next three and then we'll just rotate from there. You can edit your profile. So when you sign up for an account, you had inputted some information that is then editable later on when your account is created. Let's say you made a typo or you want to change your address like you moved. Those are different things that you can change. So you can also share your performance, and currently I think we have enabled sharing your chart through email. So I can go here and let's say I want to add that, and we'll go to send it by email. And we'll just click send. And then we can, if I go to my email, we'll go directly to my FIU email. You can see that we received this email from Senior Project. Check out the chart, and then it'll have the chart in there. Moving along, so managing templates. A template is basically, as a trader, I came into this home page and I see my chart. This template is kind of like a setting for all of these things, or a combination of settings. So here we can see that we're seeing the chart in candlestick mode. We're in the 4-hour time frame with moving average volume off. So we can go ahead and, let's say we want to add the moving average back on. We know that it's in candlestick with no volume. We can go ahead and say candlestick, no volume. So we'll click save, and that's saved. Now, later on, let's say we make a bunch of changes to customize our chart view. We remove the EMA. We go to the 1-hour view time frame, and then we're in bar view. The quickest way for us to get back to that original view that we had that we might be interested in is that we can go back to the settings, click templates, and load in candlestick no volume. And you can see that it should then go back to candlestick, 4-hour view, everything else enabled except for volume. So it's not only these things that can be toggled through the toolbar, but things such as whatever's in here as well can be saved through all of these settings in a template. And then change chart settings is what I just mentioned about going between and changing any of these settings. So if you want to enable or disable any of these toolbars, if you want to, let's say you don't want to see EMA show up. Right now it shows up, but if I click apply, maybe I don't want it to show up. Yeah. So do you want to talk to Stephanie about the administrator view?
Yeah, so the admin view, we can log out as a trader, and then you can have administrator capabilities. So you can do a couple different things. So the first thing we can talk about is as an administrator, you have the ability to impersonate other users and edit and impersonate other users. So here you have like EForT administrator, EForT trader, EForT developer, and EForT guru. So if as an admin, you can click impersonate, and then it will take you back to as a trader account. That you'll see that you have access to the cheater view, which we just mentioned. Also, you can view, edit, and add a VPS as well in the VPS management. So as that's loading, you'll see that we have VPS 0, VPS 1, and VPS 2, and you can go in and edit a VPS. And also you can turn it off and turn it off as well for the status. And you can also go in and change your EForT app settings as an admin.
Yeah, I clicked the wrong one. I think this one.
Yes. So here you can go ahead.
So those are the. Sorry, what were you saying?
No, that was it. Those are the things that you can do as a trader and as an admin. And yeah, that's about it. So if you have any about any of these, you can go ahead and contact us through email, and we'll be happy to reply as best as we can.
Thanks.